Right. Good morning, everyone. Yeah. Last class we have completed how to develop Java program, right? Can I expect everyone practiced? Yeah, we have completed successfully 1 week, right? Is there any difference in you from before 1 week and after 1 week? Are you getting confidence on Java? Able to write programs? Okay. And next, yesterday I shared one assignment in the WhatsApp channel. Did you see? Are you people enable the notification? Can you please open once your mobile WhatsApp channel once? I wanted to see whether you're able to see or not. All people found where channels are available in home page or update page. There is something called updates. Open channel once. Both offline online students. Online students. Yeah. Students who attended today first class, please wait. I'll talk to you. On top of the channel heading, you will find bell button. Click on it. Unmute. It will be in a mute. Make it unmute. If you don't unmute, you will not get notifications. Whenever I feel to talk to you, I'll send message immediately. Either assignment I'll send, programs I will send, material I will send. I'll send something there. If you are not I will only send, okay? Other people will not send any messages. You will not get any disturbance. Are you catching? Like other groups here, you won't get, thousands of messages. Okay, only when I want to share something to you, either material or assignment or programs or some other thing, then I will post there so that you will come get notification immediately so that you can start work on it. If you don't unmute it, on top will be there checkman, Chetan Kumar. You open in mobile or in laptop? Open in mobile, you'll find. Laptop where it is that I also don't. In mobile, at top, here, in somewhere in the corner will be there. Okay, we have completed 1 week classes. Last week, we have finished our discussion on how to develop program, and I requested you to prepare one assignment. Means prepare minimum 10 points on all knowledge, all topics, whatever the knowledge you gain from this 1 week. So, have you prepared? Yes or no? Tell truth. Prepared? Yes, sir. Head moving this side, mouth telling us. Prepared or not prepared? Yeah, sure. Show me. You said prepared, no? Where you prepared? Ma? అరే ఏమిట్రా నువ్వు చిన్నపిల్లల్లా చెప్తావు స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళే పిల్లడు చెప్తావు సార్ కడుపు నొప్పి పుట్టింది సార్ మర్చిపోయి వచ్చాను సార్ నేనేం చెప్పా ప్రిపేర్ 10 points. I didn't say revise 10 points, right? Prepare and what the meaning? Write notes, no? You will write, Okay. You didn't join us previously. Why? Why? Why you didn't join? I don't have a WhatsApp group, sir. I can join. Are you not attending class daily? Daily I am reminding, na? Okay, no problem. At least today, everyone join WhatsApp channel, okay? Maybe you are feeling that it is a demo, time pass channel. No, it is a subject channel. I don't consider demo channel, consider paid channel, something. Okay. That's WhatsApp channel, what we created, that will be there forever. Whatever assignments I want to share, what information I want to share, I will share in that channel only. Sir, but there are some unpaid students now. For paid students, separate group will be there. Material sharing, separate group will be there. Assignments, I will not share there. Assignments, I will share in this group. Understood? Material will be in Google Classroom. And assignments will be not in Google Classroom, in this WhatsApp channel. You should be in WhatsApp channel. Daily, I'm going to talk to you through WhatsApp channel only. Okay, na? Fine. So, all the people must join. Next. Today, I'm giving you one more day. You prepare your own points. I will prepare my own points. And we will compare your points with my points. And who is better, let us decide. Obviously, you will be better now, sir. Correct? That is wrong thought. You should always try to dominate me. You should always try to be better than me. When interviewer will give you job, when interviewer feels you are better than him, you have to care his work also, you only. In a company, who has to do the work? Lead work also you only has to do. Your work has to by you. Lead work also has to do by you only. You have to manage. After few months completed, then the lead client calls will be, the lead has a client calls. Those client calls also you only should handle. Team lead wanted to be free. No. You ask me, so I say no. Then what will you do? Tell me, what will you do? I'm saying no. You ask permission. Is it a school? School no, college no, right? It is a company. Will you ask anybody, company may come in? Come. Don't ask next time, okay? I told you many times, again reminding, it is not your school or college. You are not a student. You are a software engineer. Did you get that thought into your mind? I am a software engineer. Tell. Software engineer? No? All the people are software engineers. I am the team lead of you, okay? I am here to guide you how to develop programs or projects. Projects, no programs. Even Hollywood program is also our project. First project we completed already. So please try to have that thought in your mind. I am the software engineer. I am in the company Naresh IT. In Naresh IT, Harikrishna is my team lead. So I have to go before team lead come to the office. After team lead coming, punishment will be there. That feeling you should have, okay? When you have that feeling, then the environment will be created nicely. And then started thinking about how to write the code, how to develop the projects. Okay, all the points, all the thought process will be created. It's very important. Okay, done. So what we have to discuss in this week? Have you completed last week all points, or still anything pending? Our syllabus. What is our syllabus? Fourth pointer. What are the points pending last week? Actually, one day we have wasted. Some day 4 revision, something I did. Okay, no problem. That one day is postponing today. We completed last class up to here. The students who joined newly today, I will share you last week classes. These points I have covered. Theory points we completed, and only one program we have learnt. You didn't miss anything more. I will share those videos. Admin will share you those videos in WhatsApp channel. Please join there and you can collect that videos. Which video you have to watch? Not from the first class. Okay. Saturday video you have to watch today. Okay. So that today class and tomorrow class you will connect. And just listen today class. End of the class, if you find any difficulties, you can ask me the questions. Okay. All the people to ready for some more questions, some more programs to develop today. Okay. Last class we done with program 1, and let us try to develop some more programs today. Okay. What we discussed last class, let's quickly revise. So last class we completed what is Java. Java is a platform independent multi-paradigm programming language. Who invented Java? Where? In Sun Microsystem. When? 1991. When it is released? 1995. And also 1996. Beta version released in 1995 and the main version is released in 1996 as Java 1.0. Why Java is invented? For achieving platform independency, for developing internet application. What are the different types of applications we can develop by using Java? Both standalone applications and internet application. The standalone internet applications are totally, we have around 12 types of applications are there. Among them, what is the common name? Enterprise application. So in the market, there are two styles of applications are developing: enterprise application and data science application. Enterprise applications are developed by using Java. Business applications are developed by using Python. So as a Java student, you should learn, you master Java, full stack Java, have a knowledge on Python, because every Java application background, Python will be used. Okay, now slowly, data processing operations are increasing in the market. So that's why Python having knowledge is also important. I will ask you one small question. Is it an enterprise application or a data science machine learning application? You decide and tell me. Google is developing one software with one electronic device. Every electronic device has a software, na? Right. So Google is developing one electronic device which contains one software. That electronic device will be connected to your hand. It will tell you in the coming future, is there any chance you will get heart attack? Is there any chance you will get cancer? And the most dangerous diseases, any chance will get or not, it will tell you. Are you following? They are developing one software with an electronic device. That electronic device, they will connect it to your hand. And after a few minutes, it will tell you there is a chance that this person have a chance to get heart attack, or this person have a chance to get cancer. It is going to tell the report, give the report. Then that software is developed by using Java or Python. Why? Because it is analyzing your blood pressure. Your body have a data, your blood pressure data is there. By using that data, it is analyzing it and taken decision based on some measurements. It is telling that, okay, is there any chance that future problems are coming or not coming? It is going to take. So that software is developed by using Python. Like this, individual software is also developing by using Python. Wherever there is a data analyzation is required, then Python will be used. Understand my point? So using Python, can I develop the front end screens? No, HTML will be used. HTML will be used for developing front end screens. Behind the HTML screens, Python is like a core Java. Can Python take the data from the network? No. Then who will take? It has a framework called Django. Like how we have advanced Java, it has a framework called what? Django. By using Django framework, it will develop web applications. And it takes the data from that web application, from the HTML screen, give it to Python. Python doing that analyzation. So then why people are not using Django for developing enterprise application? Why they are using Java? Python, Django is a failure framework. It doesn't have more security features. So enterprise application develop required so much of library security features are required. Those are not developed as part of Django framework. Those are developed as part of advanced Java and Spring Boot. So that's why if you want to develop big business application where huge money transactions are there, what you call data security required, there people are using what? Java. Where data analyzations are required, there people are using Python. Understand my point? Using Java, we can develop full application. Python also used for developing full application, but Python is not used for developing big enterprise application. It is used only for data analyzation. So my strong recommendation is, after core Java completed, after you got full clarity on core Java all topics, after doing a revision of core Java, then I am recommending learn Python also. Either learn by your own by following websites or join the course and learn. It's up to you. Okay. So it's up to you, but Python also should be in your resume. Programming languages category should contain 2 languages. First Java, comma, next one what? Python. So that your resume will have more weightage in the interview room. Okay. Then next, what is the difference between enterprise application and data science application? Enterprise application means an application that implements one business operations. Okay, one business operation. What is data science application? Is it developing business application? No, it is developing data analyzation application behind this enterprise application. Okay, what are the differences between Java and Python? Java meant for developing enterprise application. Python is meant for developing data science application. Java is popular for applications development. Python is popular for scripting operation. So as part of another program I want to embed, so we are using Python. Next, okay, now I come to the stage called, okay, I got clarity on Java, what type of application, Python, what type of application. It's the time I have to develop applications using Java. Then what the software is required to develop, compile and execute a Java program? We need 3 softwares: editor software, JDK software and command prompt software. In our system by default we have editor, Notepad, command prompt software, but we don't have JDK. So we have to download and install JDK software. From where we can download? Oracle.com. Will you go directly Oracle.com? No. Go to Google, type JDK download. You will get JDK download link. Download it and install it. While installing, by default, it will show the installation path to program files, Java JDK. I requested you to change it to JDK because in the coming days we are using Edit Plus. While using JDK with Edit Plus, the space in the program files creating some problem. That's why install JDK. Next, essential statements to develop, compile, execute a Java program. We have 3 essential statements are there. What are the 3? Class, main method, system.out.println. Tell me, if I don't use the class, can I complete my development? No. Can I compile that program? No. Every Java program must starts with a class. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Java is a class-based object-oriented programming language. Every program should start with class. Class following by class name, open bracket, closed bracket. Next, I want to just compile this program. Then main method required or not required? Not required. I want to run this program. Then what we require? Main method. In main method, I want to print some message on the console. Then what we require? System.out.println. How many print statements are there in Java? 3. C language 1. C++ 1. Java, Python 1. But in Java, we have 3 print statements: print, println, printf. Then what is the difference between them? We will try to discuss in today's class. Okay. Next, steps to develop, compile and execute a Java program. How many steps are there? 7 steps are there. Java is a, we have 7 steps are there. Okay, actual main steps are about 3. Develop, compile, execute. For a development purpose, how many steps? 3 steps. Compilation purpose also 3. Execution 1. What are the 3 steps in development? Open Notepad, type and save, type and save. These are 3 steps. In a compilation, how many steps? 3 steps, sir. Open command prompt, change drive and directory path, then compile. Okay, na? Execute, already opened command prompt, already change path, so directly execute. Okay, then we develop a program to display hello world program on console. Clear my point? Tell me, someone is asking, teach this program one more time. Who is that? Harshad. Please ask your doubt, Nana. Unmute and ask your doubt. I'm ready to explain. I don't know what you have. What is your doubt? I don't ask you any further questions. Okay, don't worry. You can confidently speak any language, your wish. Telugu, Hindi, English. Hello, mic testing. Harshad. Harshavardhan. He is a different person. Sorry. Harshad Sinde.
Yes, sir.
Amma, thank you, Nana. Tell me, what is your doubt?
So, about command prompt.
What is the doubt in command prompt?
It is not changing path, sir.
Sorry? What?
Not changing path.
In your system, path is not changing.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Where did you create your system folder?
D drive, sir.
Okay. In D drive, where you created? Can you share your screen? Can you share your system screen? I will give you permission. Accept it. Give me 1 second here. Accept invitation and you can share your screen. I think you did some mistake. Okay. Otherwise, do one thing. Now I am going to show you again. So check once and correct your mistake. Okay, na? Come on, guys. Let's quickly redevelop this program for the students who missed last class. And then we'll go for new program. Okay. Now, go to D drive. We have already created a folder FSJD. I am removing it. Okay. Now, what the first step you have to do? First, you have to create a folder. Right click. While saving, you can create, or before also you can create. Always better create a folder. Right click, new folder. What is the name of the folder? Full stack Java development shortcut FSJD. In that, what is the first course you are learning? 01 Core Java. In Core Java, what is the first chapter you are learning? Java Basic. So first you create all these folders in a D drive, FSJD, CJ, Java Basics. Then open Notepad. Step number 1, open Notepad. Close this program. Linux, you know any other software's installation sign up? In Linux, did you install any software? No, no. Then without installing any software, how are you using Windows here? Search in YouTube, you will find so many videos. Look at here. Okay, first step, open Notepad. Second step is what, Nana? Type Java program. What the syntax starts with? Class. Class. Following by class name. What the class name? First program. The name should be first program or any name? Any name. What is the coding standard? Every word, first letter should be capital letter. Title case you have to follow. Should I give space or should not give space? Should not give space. Then open bracket, closed bracket. Okay. Then next one is what? Should I write this bracket in the next line or same line? Same line. Can I write in the next line? Yes. Can I write here? Yes. Can I write here? Yes. Can I write this one here? Yes. Your wish you can write wherever you want. Compiler can understand. But is it a good pattern program? Good look and feel program? No. When you are coming out of your room to outside, good makeup you are adding and coming? No. You are making your hair zigzag like on coming on the road? No. Same way, your class also should organize in a proper look and feel structure. That's why you have to manage correctly like this. Next. Now, can I compile this program? Yes, but cannot execute. For execution purpose, what we required? Main method. What I write now? Space, go inside and write public static void main of string array args. Open bracket, closed bracket. Where I have to close? Exactly down to public. Can I close anywhere? Yes, but it is a not good look and feel. What next? Tell me. By using this class and main method, can I run the program? Yes. But is there any message displaying on the console? No. Then if you want to display some message inside main method, you should write system.out.println double quotes. Whatever the message you want to print, printer. HK programming world. Right? And now after development completed, you have to save. Where you have to save? In JDK bin folder? No. We have to save in your project directory. Already we created our project directory. FSJD, CJ, JB. Now go here and save this program with what name? Any name.java. What name? Any name.java. I am taking this name as example.java. Save it. After saving, always it is recommended, go to your directory and check whether it is saved correctly or not. Go to directory D drive, go to FSJD folder, go to CJ folder, go to Java basic folder and verify whether it is saved correctly with .java structure or not. Look at the type of the file must be what? Java. Sometimes you will save this file as a text file and later you will cry. So text files can be compiled by compiler software? No. Then open this. After this program compilation, saving is completed. Next step is what? Compile. How to compile? Open command prompt. Open start, press the start button and type CMD. Open command prompt. When you open command prompt, by default it is showing to the which path? User directory path. But you want a directory where? FSDD. So I have to first change drive. What the current drive here available? C drive. Then change to D drive. Press D colon, press enter. Type D colon, press enter. Next, change directory. How to change directory? CD space. Now where your folder is available? FSD. Then slash. Next folder? 01 CJ slash. Next folder 01 JB. Press enter. Next up, Java C space example.java. What I have to pass here? Class name or source file name? Source file name with the extension. When I press enter, compiler software, read this .java file, compiler software, search for this .java file where in current directory. Compiler software, search for example.java file in the present working directory. What the directory? 01 JB. Compiler software will go to D drive. First you mentioned D, na? It will go to D drive. Then FSJD, going to FSJD. Then given what? CJ, go to CJ. Then searching for what? JB, available, go to JB. Then you ask to compile what? Example.java, example.java. Then compiler software open this example.java file, started reading first line, second line, third line, fourth line, fifth line. Every line compiler software will read top to bottom. If it find any mistakes in these lines, it will throw error, terminate the compilation. If no mistakes are there, it will read entire data and converts this data into what? Converts into bytecode. Converts into bytecode. So what is bytecode? Bytecode is an instructions to the JVM. Do you know Telugu? You know Telugu? Telugu people know Telugu. Do you know Hindi? Telugu people don't know Hindi. Right? So tell me, every person has their own mother tongue, na? Like that. Who will run your Java program? JVM. JVM mother tongue is bytecode. JVM can understand only bytecode. So what is a bytecode? Bytecode is an instruction set to unable to do command. Why you cannot open? What error coming? Unable to open, and how can I solve your problem? You should tell the error also, no? Bytecode is an instruction set to JVM. Why you are not able to type? Where you are typing? Did you press window key? You are using Mac OS or Windows? Windows. Press window key on keyboard. You will get this prompt. After typing, if you directly type, will not come. Press window key and the type CMD. Bytecode is an instruction set to JVM. Okay, clear my point? Now, by following this bytecode, JVM can run it. Let me show you. Compile it. Compile successfully. Observe here. First program dot class file is create. Okay. Converts bytecode, converts above source code into bytecode, save it in a new file with dot class as new file with class name dot class as file name. Okay, na? Class name dot class as file name. So what is a bytecode? Bytecode is the instruction set to JVM for running our Java program. Okay, everyone understand? So repeat once again. What happened when I type Java's file name? Compiler software search for the given Java file in this directory. If it found, it reads the complete code from first line to last line, converts that source code into bytecode, save it in a new file with class name dot class as file name. What the class name? First program. Okay, then what is the job of JVM? Tell me, buddy. Now I'm typing Java first program. Should I give dot class or should not give? Should not give. When I type Java first program, what JVM will do? JVM search for first program or first program dot class. Search for first program dot class file in this present working directory. In this present working directory means what? FSD, D drive, FSD, core Java, Java basic, searching for what? First program dot class found. Then it will open this first program dot class. Tell me, if you open, can you understand it? No. The boxes will come. Okay. All these boxes not understandable to you. It will understand to whom? JVM. JVM understand all these bytecode and it will search, it will read from the first line to last line or search for the main method. JVM is responsible for running entire code or only main method? No, only main method. Compiler software search entire class. Compiler software read entire class from first line to last line, convert to bytecode and save in the dot class file. But JVM responsibility is run the program. Running will start from where? From the first line of the class or from the main method? From the main method. So JVM search for the main method. Is main method found? Yes. Then execute its logic. That's it. So JVM by default will execute only main method. If you don't define main method in your class, will JVM execute any member from your class? No. Everyone understand? Let me show you that point first. Okay. Now run it, executed successfully. What I am doing now, I am removing this SOPLN from here. Tell me, any compile time error? Is the compiler throwing any error? No. Compiler required what? A program should be there with the correct syntax. Is the program there with the correct syntax? Yes. Compile successfully. Dot class file is generated. Bytecode is generated. Then now, if I execute, is it executed or not? Will JVM throw any error? No. JVM doesn't throw any error. It's executed successfully. But what is the problem? No output will come because there is no SOPLN. Understanding? Right? Last chair, Bhaiya. Hello. Third person. Vintana. Third person. Mobile checking? No. Listening? What happened? Why output not came? HK programming world not came here. Why? SOPLN? Not there. Who is telling you? Helping a side person, your friend. Hey, listen, Ravi, why you are looking down? Any mobile watching? After class, okay, no? Switch off mobile so that you will not be get disturbed. Okay? When you enter into the class, keep your mobile in not vibration mode. Don't switch off, Ray. If you switch off, breakup will happen. Okay? If you switch off, then doubts will come. Why you switched off? Where did you go? Why you switched off? Okay? Breakup will be happen. That's why just keep mobile in silent mode, not in vibration mode. Okay? Silent mode. So that the calls will come, messages will come, let them come. Okay? Now tell me, guys. So now why output it didn't come? Because there is no SOPLN. Now tell me. I am removing main method also. I am removing main method also. Allowed or not allowed? Allowed. You can remove, not a problem. Whatever you want, you can remove, no problem. If I remove this, go to command prompt, clear screen, compile. Any problem in compilation? No problem. Compile successfully. Execute. Java, first program, press enter. What happened? Did I get any compile time error? No. That is a background dot class file generated. Yes. When I type Java first program, what JVM will do? JVM searching for first program dot class. Found. Yes. Hey, found. Found. First program dot class file is there. Then it will open first program dot class file searching for main method. Is main method available? No. Then JVM को गुस्सा आता. क्यों तुम मेरे को डिस्टर्ब कर रहा है? It will throw tumri fellow. Where is main method? Error. Main method not found in class first program. Please define the main method as like this. Everyone understand? So tell me, main method is meant for compilation or execution? Can I compile a class without main method? Can I execute a class without main method? No. Clear my points? Right. Now this is the story about how to compile and execute, and what main method is mandatory for compilation or execution. SOP is mandatory for compilation or execution. Right. So these are the points in last class we completed. For new students, I quickly given revision. All are ready for today class? So now we are entering into week 2. We have to complete in how many weeks? No. Totally, our course must be completed in how many weeks? 12 weeks, right? In 12 weeks, we have to complete. Be fast, okay? So now this week, you should be more faster than previous week. Ready? Yeah? Last week, you are a little slow because new. Now you are all experts. Now show your talents. Amma? Right. Program number 2. Everyone, please concentrate. Program number 2. Develop a program. Everyone stop talking. Develop a program to display your name on console. Develop a program to display your name on console. Ejada? Cheyi mari? Em chestunnavu? Hey, I said develop a program. I didn't say copy program. Then why did you sit silently? Arre. My dear copy paste masters, it's not college. Faculty will write on the board, we will copy, that jamana over. SD already you develop new program, no? 7 steps I told you, follow 7 steps. Don't make me work for you. You have to work yourself. Just you need to take my assistance, that's it. You are a developer, not follower. For the first step, open Notepad. Wait, first step, bro. Open Notepad. You forgot, huh? Achha, achha, achha. You are not in the notes. You are in your system. You are writing not in your notes. You are writing in your system. So first step is what? Open Notepad. Second step, type below program. Type class. What is the name of the class? You choose whatever you want. Everyone should write. Brother, first class, huh? Right? You all చూస్తున్నావు మర్చిపోతే previous page చూడు. If today is your first class, okay, excused. Already you attended last class, today you're not writing and it's a bad practice. Everyone should write. I'll check your notes. Ma. You're not listen, already explained. You are generating bytecode for source code. What is the name of the source code? First program. That's why the dot class file name is first program. Everyone should write. P small letter, cap letter. Cap letter. All letters are small. No notes. Notebook లేదా తెలుగు అయింది తెలుగు అయింది గర్ల్స్ రాస్తున్నారా don't act, okay? You are not here to become actors, developers. Ere. No, not required. Tell me. First up, open Notepad. Press start button. Type Notepad. Notepad open. Type class. Class name. What is the name of the class? Excellent. First program. Second program. Third program. Fourth program. Listen. First program just for concept purpose I explain, okay? Now onwards you have to think seriously about the names also. Listen, very important. Your name must convey the operation performing in this program. Are you following? The name must convey the operation performing in this program. In this program, what is the operation we are performing? Printing name. Name of the class must be in what format I told? Noun format, title case. Title case is nothing but noun. Teaching is the operation. What the noun? Teach is the verb. Teach is a first form, teaching is ing form, right? Teach is a verb form of noun. Who do that? Who does that work is what? Noun form. Who will do? Teacher. Listen. Listener. Print. Whom printing? I'm not. Who is printing? Whom you are printing? Name. What the program name? Excellent. Name printer. What is the name of the class? Class name printer. You have to choose the class name as a name printer. Let me come here. Class name printer. Change your class name in your notes. You take in second program 2, my name, my lover name. Some people are writing the class name, every class with his name or her name. Ray Babu, don't use your names there, okay? That's a bad practice. Proper name you choose. Class name printer. What next? Inside this we should write public static void main string array args. Open bracket, closed bracket. Next. Now I have to write system.out.println. Inside you write system dot out dot println of double quotes. What I asked to print? Your name. My name is Hari Krishna. Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna. Next, program typing is complete. Now I want to save. How to save? Control S. What is the name of the Java file? Previous program, I just want to tell you that Java file name and class name can be different. You understood. Then why I should maintain different name confusion? Let me choose what? Same name. What is that? Name printer.java. So the first program purpose, we discussed different name, we discussed different Java file name. From second program onwards, we'll follow the procedure. Java file name, class name, we are choosing same name. Then save it. I told you after saving, you have to go to command prompt. Sorry, you have to go to your folder. Check in your folder the program saved as a Java file or not. Saved as a Java file. Delete every time, delete .class files. Okay. Don't delete Java files. Be careful. Click here, type, so that all files will be under type of format. Example.java, name printer.java. Then go to command prompt. Tell me how to open command prompt. Start cmd. Now can I directly type here? No. D:/cd fsjd/core/java basics java c name printer.java. Compile successfully. Background .class file created. Click on this. .class file will come top, so that always you can see the .class file created and delete. Name printer.class. Then go here, execute Java name printer. What the job of name printer? What the job of the JVM? Go search for name printer.class file. Found. Start execution with main method. Output coming. Hare Krishna. समझ में आया? My intention behind giving you this program is, number one, Babu, did you type here compilation execution commands? After writing this program, who has to compile? You only. Who has to execute? You only. So you have to, after writing this, you should write here message, save above program with the name, what? Name printer.java. Write down if you are not written. Save above program with the name printer.java. Next, what I should write? Compile. Compilation. Where I have to be in D:/FSJD/01CJ/01JB. And now you have type here Java C name printer.java. Tell me, as a result from the command compiler software, what will get background? .class file. Name printer.class. You should write both. Name printer.java, name printer.class. Then execution. Every program you have to do like this. Execution. Same path. What you write? Java without extension name printer. Then we will get output. What is the output? Hari Krishna. According to your output, Ray. So third program I'm going to give you. You have to write that program now. Okay, should not sit silently as if it's not my class, it's not my job. Okay, now tell me. Totally 3 points I want to learn in this program. Number one, the name of the class must reflect the operation you are performing, and the name should not be verb form, name should be noun form. Second point I told you, Java file name and class name we will say with the same name. Okay, for easy understanding purpose. It's not a rule, it's just only convention. Okay. Third point you should realize now. Everyone, please understand. Listen. Tell me, you got job in one company, you develop one full project. Then when you're moving from current project to the next project, Are you doing everything new now? Are you doing same previous project operations only according to this new project functionality? That means what is changing from previous project to new project? Only names are changing, except that remaining everything is same or not? Just now you experienced. First program, what is the name of the first program? First program. What you displayed? HK programming word. Second program changed? Syntax changed? No. Compilation procedure changed? Execution procedure changed? Execution style changed? No. Everything is same. Only what is changing? According to the business requirement, names are changed. This program want to print name of a person. So what the name of the class we chosen? Name printed. Which name you want to print? The name written. So previous program to this program, there is no change. So what type of mind you have to get? Tell me. Multiple programs you are learning. One program with multiple test cases you are learning. Not multiple program. That is a wrong thought. Company thought. Sorry, that is wrong thought. Your college thought. In college, first program, second program, third program, fourth program. Every program is same. What is changing? Test case change. First program test case is requirement is what? Print hello HK programming world. Second, what is the test case? Your name. Test case only changing, but the program is what? Same. Only names and the messages are changing. Everyone prepare this mindset. What the mindset you should have? Array program same Ramama. This is a third program means third test case. Different input I got. According to this input, I am developing program. Then got clarity? Feeling easy? Your feelings are very important. If you keep on say difficult, yeah, everything is difficult. If nothing, one program, multiple cases. Only one program I am learning. Okay, the same program syntax I am repeating every day. So that thought, if you apply, then Java is easy. Programming language is easy. No, write down one more program now. Anusha, where did you save your program? In C drive or in D drive? Utkarsh Patel, when did you eat a chicken biryani in your life? Immediately when you born? When you born, immediately your mother giving you chicken biryani to you? Babu, Utkarsh Patel, reply. Then you want in your life, you want slowly one by one. But in Java life, everything in one day you want. Such a wrong mindset you have, right? The person who teach you teach you Eclipse or IntelliJ VS Code, please stay away from that person immediately. Such a dangerous person you have in your life. Anusha, again and again you are asking same question. What okay, sir? I asked, where did you save? Why you didn't practice at home first program? Saturday our class, why you didn't practice? How many times I teach again and again? Is it not time waste? Watch video, you will understand. Day 6 video there in the WhatsApp channel, go and watch. Okay guys, write down next program please. This program is very interesting. Program number 3. Develop a program to display, come on guys, write down. To display your name in the below pattern, in the below, okay, display your name with stars. With stars as below. With stars as below. Let's see how many people have common sense. This program will decide are you a programmer and a mindful programmer, mindless programmer will decide now. Let's see how many people will write, right? They you are working like a student blindly, a little bit brain applying to right programmer, let us see. No difference from second program to third program. You have to follow 3 steps. Write program, save with the name, compile, execute. All 4 steps you have to do. Okay, I want to see your notes with all 4 steps, like how I showed in the previous program. First, write program. Second, save with what name. Third, compilation syntax I want to see, then what you are getting as a result. Fourth, execution, what the result coming. Everything I want to see. Step 1, step 2, step 3, all steps you have to implement sincerely. Kiran, look at the code. What question I have asked, what you have written. How many stars? How many your program printing? One, how many lines I asked? Hey. Krishna is round with stars, man, sees properly. ఇంకా క్వశ్చన్ రాసే దగ్గరే ఉన్నావా నువ్వు అన్నయ్య? తెలుగు హిందీ? తెలుగునా? ఇంకా క్వశ్చన్ రాసే దగ్గర ఉన్న అందరు ప్రోగ్రామ్ కూడా రాసేసారు. ఏం చేస్తున్నావు అంత ఈజీగా ఉన్నావు ఏంటి? చెక్ చెక్ రాయ్, కంపైల్ చేయి, ఎగ్జిక్యూట్. కంపైల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్. కంపైల్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది, ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది, అది కూడా డిస్ప్లే చేయాలి. ఇట్స్ నాట్ యువర్ నోట్స్, ఇట్స్ యువర్ సిస్టమ్. సిస్టంలో జస్ట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్ రాసి వదిలేస్తారా? ఏం చేస్తున్నాను వస్తున్నావా? తెలుగేనా? తెలుగా హిందీయా? राइट, क्या क्या कर रहे हैं, राइट है ना रनो? हिंदी. If unable to write, take help of your friends. Don't sit silently. ఇలా నేను రాసినట్టు రాసుకోవట్లేదు. తెలుగునా? బాగా తినడం అలవాటు అయింది మనకి. తినడం కొట్టుకోవడం లైక్ చేసేది ఏమి లే. అక్కడ ఏం రాస్తాను, ఇందా కమాండ్స్ రాశాను కదా, ఎందుకు రాసుకోలేదు నువ్వు? కంపైలేషన్ కమాండ్ ఏది? ఎగ్జిక్యూషన్ కమాండ్ ఏది? త్రీ స్టెప్స్ చేయాలని చెప్పా కదా, డెవలప్, కంపైల్, ఎగ్జిక్యూట్, 3 చూపించాలి నువ్వు నాకు. కంపైల్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది అవుట్పుట్, ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేసినప్పుడు ఏమొస్తుంది అవుట్పుట్, అదంతా చెక్ చేయాలి, సిస్టమ్ నోట్స్లో చూపించాలి. దసరా డిడ్ యు రైట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్? If you don't understand my English, ask, I'll tell in Telugu. Compile and execute. Compilation command. After compilation, what you will get? After execution, what you will get? Compilation, what will get output? Java C will give you something. What? When you type Java C, where is angular bracket? This is a command prompt, no? Command before angular bracket should be there, na? Angular bracket. Okay. What is this? Where is execution command? Execution command what? Refer previous page. Why rough notes? రఫ్ రాసుకున్నారు కదా అంతే. ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ అయితే ఏమైంది, ఫస్ట్ పేజ్ రాస్తే ఏమవుతుంది, ఆ ఫస్ట్ పేజ్ తర్వాత మిగతా రాసుకుంటారు. కంప్లీటెడా? Tell me what I should write. What I am expecting you to learn from this program. Every program should have one new point. Na? Copy from previous program, at least one extra point should be there. Point number 1, what is the name of the class? Name of the class must reflect the operation I am performing in this program. What the operation I am performing? I want to print name with stars. What is the name of the class? Name printer with stars. See, printing kada. Name printer with the stars. That is the first point. Okay. Everyone, please notice fourth program again I'll give. Fourth program also, if you sit silently, then not good. What the first point? First you should ask yourself, what is the name of my class? What am I doing? I'm printing the name with stars. So what is the name of the class? Name printer with the stars. Okay. Open bracket, closed bracket. Every word, first letter should be capital letter, should not have space in between. Okay, nice. Next, main method, public static void, main of string array args. Open bracket, closed bracket. Right. So my program is ready. Now this program should perform one operation. Class main method, if you write program ready, now this program should perform operation. Now you want to learn Java, your body ready in the class, but you must make your brain ready, na? Okay, the brain is nothing but logic. So what logic I should write? It's not your wish. It is client asks. What client asks, that you have to develop, isn't it? Client asks you to write the code for printing. This is the output, isn't it? Tell me, how many lines he asked to print? 3 lines, right? Then how many lines SOP lines I have to write? Some intelligent people are there. What they written now? So nice people, intelligent people are there. They write, listen, system.out.println, big bracket. Okay. In this big bracket, first line, second line, third line, big bracket, semicolon. Right? Check once your next friend notes. Definitely at least 1 or 2 people might have written this. Array, SOPLN meant for printing multiple lines of 1 line. 1 line. Then how many lines I ask you to print? 3 lines. Then how many SOPLNs you have to write? 3 lines you have to write. 3 SOPLNs you have to write. 1 line, 1 SOPLN. You cannot write big bracket. It is not animation, okay? It is not animation. It's a program. Look at here. So what I write first? System.out.println. What I should print first line? Stars. Now write stars. Double quotes, star, 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 star. Then next system.out.println. System.out.println of double quotes, star, Hari Krishna, star. Okay. Next system.out.println of double quotes. Again, what write? Star, 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 star. Jyoti Kumari, are you from IT, non-IT? I am non-IT. I don't know anything. Tell me, what the first step I told you? Save the above program with what name? Class name dot Java. That is the first statement you have to write. Save above program. నేను చెప్పినట్టు చేయాలి మీరు. ఓకే, యూ హ్యావ్ టు డూ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ సేయింగ్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఫీల్ లేజీ, ఆల్రెడీ ఐ నో. హౌ డు ఐ నో? How do I know that you know already? You have to present in the note, then only I'll know. This is exam. When you attend interview asks some question. I know how to write, but I don't write, and how will you get job? Don't feel lazy, mama. Oh, mama. Save above program as name printer with stars.java. That is the first point. After writing program, you have to write this is the first statement. Second word, compile. Compile it as, tell me. You have to go for D drive save, D drive, FSJD, 01CJ, 01JB, angular bracket. After last folder, you should write angular bracket. Angular bracket. Then what you type here? Java C file name. You have to pronounce syntax always. Java C file name. What the file name? Name printer with stars.java. Then you have run this command, na? You should feel your system command prompt. This command I type in my command prompt, press enter. When I press enter, command prompt software reading this Java file source code, converted into bytecode and saving in a .class file with what name? Name printer with stars.class. It is always above name with the class name. Class name. Class name dot class. Class name and Java file name is same. That's why you're getting the same name. You have to tell the procedure. Beginning days, if you don't pronounce that procedure, repeat that procedure, and don't write the procedure, coming days you will face a lot of difficulties. Okay, so follow procedure. Procedure is very, very important. My compilation is completed. After compilation, I should execute. For execute purpose, I have to use Java command. Execute it as same path. Command is what? Java space class name. Java space class name. Then what JVM will do? JVM will go to this class file here, and whatever we have printed here, that output will come. What I printed? Stars. Copy, paste here. Ante kada? How many you have printed here? Those many stars will come. You only should write that output, right? Next, what next line I have written? Next line I have written star, Hare Krishna star, copy, paste. Next I have written star, star, star. Next line, JVM going to next line, copy, paste. You have to run your program by your own line by line. Understood? This is the output will come. That is a way develop, save, compile, execute. Now my question, this program you are developing for your purpose or for client given requirement purpose? Client given requirement is this. Your program displayed output is this. Are both same? Balai Babu, both are not same. I ask you to display output in oval shape. You printed output in rectangle shape. क्या कर रहा है भाई? दिमाग है नहीं है? नहीं है sir. Do you understand what is the new point I'm telling here? 2 points. Number one, if you want to print multiple lines, you have to use multiple SOPLNs. Number one. Number two, you should not write program blindly. You should write a program by keeping output in your brain. This statement, printing what client asked. This next statement, print what client is asked. Array, client asked between star and Hari, there should be a space. Did you give space? Ante blindly. Typing. You should not type as you like. Client asks requirement, I am fulfilling or not. That thought process you must have. Understood? Tell me correct your program. Finally, did you write correct program or wrong program? Wrong program. Java C, name printer with stars. Compile. Java, name printer with star. So this is output coming. Client will not be happy. Client will say, hey, Hari, what I asked, what you developed, Rabbi. Will he happy to give you next requirement to you? No, not interested. So you have to test you before, you have to test your program by yourself before you are delivering the project to the client. Tell me first, you have to carefully watch here. How many stars I have to write here? As many characters as you have. So you should count carefully. How many characters are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Totally how many stars I should write in the program? 12 stars. Remove these 12. Remove these stars. And then first you have to start with what? Space. Look at here. First it is starting with what? Space, na? Space. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Last space required or not required? Not required. There are so many spaces are here. First space you required. Last space no need to provide. Okay. By default, the entire remaining is what? Space only. The next down also how many spaces I should write? Same. Same. Copy, paste. Same number of spaces. Okay. Number of stars. And here star space, star space. Understand? Save it. Go to command prompt now. Clear screen. Compile it. Execute. Hey, something is missing. Why? Here extra one space is coming now. This because of this space, it is moved right side. So we need to add some more spaces. How many more I should add here? One more. Here also one more. Save it. One sufficient or not sufficient, we have to check. Clear screen, compile it, and execute. Correctly coming up. One more space I required for the space, last space. So totally how many stars I have to write? 14. Save it. Clear screen. So you have to do that calculation. Expected result coming or not? Yes. Everyone understand? First program we learn program point of view, syntax point of view, na syntax. Second program according to company requirement. Okay, what the name of the program should be? That is a name, only name I my target. Third program, my target is number of lines and clearly understand your output is printing client required output or not. Clear my point? All people are comfortable or boring? Boring? Programs, how can I write? Only 3 programs only, right? Right? Chalo, one more program, let us write. Write down. Today is full programs. You want to be a programmer, more programs required. Put in. Or else let me remove these points because all are comes under programs only, na? Program number 4. Develop a program to display again your name in 2 lines with single SOPL. Develop a program to display your name in 2 lines with a single SOPLN. Adhiksha, understood the question? How many SOPLNs must be there in your system? 1 SOPLN. Input to your program is Hare Krishna only. Output must be, after running your program, output must be Hare Krishna. ఇది నాకు కావాల్సింది. ట్రై చేయండి. ఎలా అనేది ఆలోచించండి. Input Hare Krishna, only 1 SOPLN. But after running your program, I want output 2 lines. Hari Krishna should come. What you have to think? I don't know. I don't know. Sit silently. You should not sit. You should ask your mind. Are single SOPL no ఈ కృష్ణాని నెక్స్ట్ లైన్కి ఎలా పంపించాలి అనే క్వశ్చన్ రావాలి. क्या सोच आना पड़ता है तुमको और दिमाग को, ए कृष्णा कैसे नेक्स्ट लाइन को जाना पड़ता है. Okay, how to send to the next line, that question should come to your mind. Writing is secondary as a thought process. Then what we do, my dear software engineer, hello, इधर देखो रा भाई, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, कुछ कुछ बोल रहा हूँ ना, इधर देखो. You are a software engineer. When you go to your office, every day you are working on a new task, new challenges. You don't know anything. Only you know Java language, Java syntaxes. But the task you need to develop, you don't know. So first you take the task and try to understand what you want for a client. Oh, you want Hare Krishna, you type. Krishna should go to next line. 1 minute रुको. My dear Google Mata, कहाँ है तुम? Chrome. Open Google, type. How to send data to next line in Java program. Print line in string structure. How to write data in next line in Java. In a Linux, a new line is denoted by. Oh, I should use slash n. Okay. Come back here. Open Notepad. Class. What is the name of the class? Name in 2 lines. Andega? Name in 2 lines. Open bracket, closed bracket, public static void. మనకంతా వచ్చు. Everything we know. मेरे को हमारा को पूरा पता है. क्या नहीं पता है? कैसे वो कृष्णा नेक्स्ट लाइन को सेंड करना. అక్కడ రాసుకోవాలి ప్రోగ్రామ్. యూ హావ్ టు రైట్ ద కంప్లీట్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. హౌ మచ్ యు నో. హరి కృష్ణ, ఇది మన ప్రోగ్రామ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ అవర్ ప్రోగ్రామ్. ఓకే, నైస్. Now what should I do now? I should send Krishna to next line. To send Krishna to next line, how to send I don't know. Then what I did? Open browser and search in browser how to send data to next line in Java program. Then I have found some special character called what? /n. Acha, copy it, paste it here in between. అయిపోయింది. ఓహో, I need /n to use. Okay. Here onwards, your mind should remember, whenever I want to print data in the next line, whenever I want to send the content to the next line, there I have to insert /n. Okay. So what we are trying to understand in third program, the purpose of /n. Save it with what name? Come on. I want you write all the three points here yourself. Continuation 3 points. Say with what name? How to compile? When compile, what is the command? What is the output you will get? When you run, what is the output you will get? Come on, try, my dear developers. Compilation after what you got? Dot class file. Execute. Where? Strike of it. Write down next. That is the output of Java C, na? Java C, 2 lines. Okay. Then output is what? This is output, right? 2 lines in single file. Dot class. Now you have to execute. And now downline run. Right. Java. What is the name of the class? Only class name you have to write. Dot class extension should not be there. Then output. From here, output. What is the output? Super. బయట రాయకూడదు. స్లాష్ ఎన్ నేనేం రాశాను అక్కడ? ఎన్ స్లాష్ స్లాష్ రాసు, బయట లోపలే రాయాలి. ప్లస్ ఎందుకు రాసావు మధ్యలో? మొత్తం ఒకటే స్ట్రింగ్. ఇక్కడ డబుల్ కోట్ స్టార్ట్, ఇక్కడ డబుల్ కోట్స్ ఎండ్ అయింది. మధ్యలో ఎందుకు రాసావు? బయట రాయకూడదు, లోపలే రాయాలి. నో ప్లస్ డబుల్ కోట్స్. ఎందుకు లాస్ట్ కూర్చోవు? వై డిడ్ యూ కమ్ లాస్ట్ షే? నో స్పేస్ దేర్. కమ్ ఎర్లీ టుమారో. గర్ల్స్, ఆర్ యు రైటింగ్? Don't act. Don't feel lazy. You have to do everything. Compile it. Dot class file come. Execute. Output come. Hurry. Then slash n. Go to next line. Krishna, next line. Tell me now. First up, what you have written? Save above program with the name. With the name. Name in 2 lines dot Java. Compile. Compile. For compilation purpose, the path should be d:/fsjd/ 01cj/01jb. For the command java c space. Lokesh, did I ask you try in your system or try in the notes, sir? Why are you using no system? In interview will give you a system, white paper. System will give you interviewer. Evrra mide? Learn how to do everything on white paper, then later do it in system with your brain. Don't parallelly use systems in the class. That's a wrong approach. Java C space. Name in 2 lines dot Java. What do you write here? What is the output you will get? Name in 2 lines dot class. Then next what? Execute. Execute. d:/fsjd/ 01cj/01jb/ Java space. Dot class file name I have to use. Class name I have to use. Name in 2 lines. Then output. What the output you will get? Whatever you printed on the console in your program, what you printed? Hari /n Krishna, copy paste. Now /n meaning is what? Move this Krishna to next line. The output. Yesterday, Saturday, one student from your class came and asked me, sir, my friend joined in another institute. I also plan to join in that institute only. But my brother is your student. He forced me to join in your batch. Otherwise, he won't give me money for fees. That's why forcibly I come to your class. Okay, then what is the problem? My friend is carrying the laptop to the classroom. Directly in the classroom, he is practicing the programs with his faculty, sir. But you are forcing me to write in the notes, I want that approach. Okay? Ask your friend, his faculty working in Amirpet since how many years? I am working in how many years? And why your brother forced you to join in my class, not in his class? Understood? My methodology makes you developer, compiler, JVM. In an interview, for the given question, your eyes can look at the program like a compiler, like a JVM. It will give you correct output. In a company, when the team lead is telling you one requirement, your brain thinking of all the ways of writing code, because you already completely visualize, did from 0 to 100%. If you are using laptop parallelly to me in the class, finally you will become what you know, Nana? Typist. Finally become terrorist. Actually, where you are writing, why you are saving, your brain will not concentrate, will not learn. If you use system directly parallelly with me, your brain is not learning. Your brain is only learning typing. If you write step by step everything, when empty page is there writing, your mind is learning. So same thing you are implementing in the system. So when you go to system, you know what to do, what next to do. And remember, in the interview, laptop or desktop will not be given to you. White paper will give you asking, write a program for the given requirement. If you just write a program and return back, interview will not feel happy. Where is the difference between you and HK Pro? I mean, other student and HK product? There should be some difference. Interviewer should feel, oh, some special qualities are there in the student. After writing program down, if you write save above program with this name, then compile, dot class file created, execute. When executing, you only running your code from the first line. This is output, second line, this is output, third line, this is output, fourth line, this is output. Yes, the client given requirement and my program given output, matched or not matched, match. Then confidently you are giving. So interviewer feel what? Wow, this person not only writing program, he is testing also. Tell me, when you give some electronic, okay, suppose your mobile is not working. When you give your mobile to the serviceman, he is corrected the problem and he immediately giving a testing. He only worked, na? He only corrected, na? He knows it is working, but double checking purpose, he is start that mobile, performing operation. After he confirmed, then the mobile is given to you. Then you are immediately doing the payment and taking the mobile and going. Then you also testing, no? You gave the complete expert, right? He's the expert person who is working, you believe. Then when after he is working, why you are not taking directly believing? No, we never believe anyone. So again, you are retesting. That means just writing program is sufficient. You have to test the flow also now. Test the flow and you have to print your program printing as user asking or not. Is it clear, everyone? So writing program is not sufficient. You should also learn compiling and execution. In a system, in a notes. In a notes. Slowly, by tomorrow, day after tomorrow completed, your brain and your body, your hand should ask, why to go to lab? Already run, na? Why I need my laptop? Why I need my system? Why I waste my time? My room time I have to use for watching movies. Already in the classroom I practice. No, I know everything, right? In system also I'll get the same output. In system also I'll type the same thing. Then why I need system? I never, in my learning, Java learning time, I never go to one day also to the system. I never type one program also in the system. I don't know where is my lab also. Yesterday, one online student asked me, sir, will you provide an online lab? I asked, why? I asked him, why you want online lab? Ante, if I face any problem, I need one person help. In company, who will help you? And still you want to behave like a college student. You don't want to accept you yourself as a software engineer. Array, I am a software engineer. When a problem comes, I have to solve the problem myself. Array, remember, when you give your problems to the lab coordinator, who is getting knowledge? Lab coordinator getting knowledge, and you are making him software engineer. You are making him to get success in the job, not you, Babu. Oh, after you got the job, you want to become lab coordinator. Huh? Oh, come on, guys, think. You have to think broadly. You have to get some good maturity. Your problem, you only has to solve. You should not depend on any person. When you can solve your problem by your know, when you know the procedure. Step 1 what? Step 2 what? Step 3 what? Either I do my in the notes or I do in the system. If I remember these steps, wherever I go, I can do it correctly. Am I right or not? So, all you habituated this procedure, still a lazy people are there. Habituated. Today not eating chocolate. Are you eating right? Yesterday class DP, then why you people are responding? You know, right? Not eating a good habit, changed. Thank you so much. Same way, Java also you have to change. Okay, na? You have to speak. Writing a program. 3 steps, 4 steps. Write, save, compile, execute. After compilation, check once again. You have to type this command. While typing this command, what you have to say? Java C file name. Don't read name in 2 lines.java. If you are reading name in 2 lines.java, you are not learning procedure. Syntax you have to learn, not program. When you are typing it, what you have to pronounce yourself? Class name, main method. You should not read as public static void. No, you have to read it as what? Main method. And You should read it as what? SOPLN message. What message require? User asked about message I have to write. Then save above program with the name. Then compile. Now what is this? Path. Folder path. What do you write? Folder path. Java C. File name. After file name, compiler software compiling this file generates what? Dot class. What is the name of the dot class? Class name dot class. You have to write it. While writing, you have to pronounce it. And then execute. Folder path. Java. Come on, you have to tell class name. When you run Java class name, JVM searching for this name dot class found. Then start with what? Main method. Then SOPLN, whatever I have written, go and carry character by character and write here. Slash n. Slash n means what? Next line. Go to next line. In the next line, Krishna print. So that's it. If you practice like this, system required, right? When you face any problem, do you need lab coordinator Harikrishna to solve your problems? No. Learn procedure. Clear? Let me develop one more program, last program for today. Last program. No, last program. One more program. Program number 5. Develop a program to display. Right now. Develop a program to display your name. Malina name. Yeah, your name. Your name in the below pattern. Your name in the below pattern. Rahul Dravid. Hey, you are Indian captain? Rahul Dravid understand Java na cricket mama. If it is today is a first class, you will not understand. Okay. Now look at here. I want to print my name Hari like this. Observe first. H A R I. Okay, H A R I. Then I want output like stubs. H A R I. I want stubs. Okay, now that's good. This is the program. After running the program, this is the output I want. Write down. Don't think. After writing, you think. This is input and this is output. Harshit, wrong program. Wait, right? After writing class name, main method, then you have to start think what to do. First template is what? Class name, main method. Up to that you have to write. Then further think inside main method what to do. Tell me. Ma? Single letter, not single word. Look at here. Everyone, please watch. This is the beginning of the line. Whenever you print output, println and start printing from the 0 character, first line also. But I want A in the same beginning column after some space gap. Space gap. And then again R I want some 2 spaces gap and I with 3 spaces gap. Understood? Listen. If you want to print some gap here, I have to use a space bar. Space bar, space I have to use. And then if you want next line 2 spaces, 2 times you have to press space. Third time space, 3 times I have to press the spaces. Are spaces visible to you? Can you see the space? No. Can you count how many spaces are there? No. Sometimes while pressing maybe extra space, maybe I type na. That's why in a program while typing spaces, we don't use a space bar directly. Rather, we will use what? /t. Understood? How many /t's I have to use now? 2 /t's. Understood? How many /t's I have to use here? 3 /t's. Now tell me, is it visible now? Yes. How many spaces are there? 1, here 2, here 3. But now the point is, /t will not display one space. It display tab. T stands for tab space. Tab space it is displayed. Tab space. Observe now. Tab space means how many spaces will come? 8 spaces. So A will be displayed after 8 spaces. R will be displayed after 16. I will be displayed after 32 spaces. So if you want insert 8 spaces, then we have to use what? /t. No, sir, I want insert only 1 space. Okay, use slashes. What I should use? Slashes. Slashes will display only 1 space. So if you want to insert a space in the middle of the text in your program, then you have to use what? /t or /s. What the difference between tab /t and /t? /t and /s. /t will print 8 spaces and slashes will insert 1 space. So let us try both. Okay, I want first with /t to work. Help me to write program now. Open Notepad. Class name pattern. I want to print a program in the pattern. How many system.out.println statements I should write? Public static void main of string array args, open bracket, closed bracket. Tell me, how many SOP lines I have to write? 4 I should write. System.out.println, copy, paste, paste, paste. First what I have write? Double quotes H, double quotes A, double quotes R, double quotes I. Okay. Now where I want to print, okay, if I write this program as it is, copy, save, .java, go to command prompt. There is command prompt. Java C, name pattern.java. When I compile successfully, no syntax mistakes. All HARI coming in a vertical line. But I want what pattern? Vertical line, not stubs pattern. Stubs and we have to get spaces. How many spaces I have to give? I can give space like this. I can give spaces like this. It accepted, but equal number of spaces there? No, unequal number of spaces are there. Expected pattern will not come properly. Okay, so I wanted to use /t, 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 /t.